side panel off, it starts working fine, right? Let's find the pinched wire. Well, at least it was easy to find. I got power off. I pulled that fan cover off. I do dig these new style fan brackets, but look at that wire. It's actually into the copper, barely. Look at that bracket. That's my problem. It wasn't tripping the breaker, but it sure was dragging on the voltage and slowing the fans down. Let me get that fixed and we'll check it out, see if there's anything else. All right, so I just put the wires together some Legos. I put them back up in the clip like they're supposed to be. If you notice, they were just hanging out. So that clip came undone, the wires hanging out, and it just rubbed into that arm. Let's see if I can get in this other one. But this other one is in the clip. I done checked it. So I'm gonna get this fan back in and fire it up. Dropping temperature, box is up and running. No more surging in the fans. That was a little wild, but we got it taken care of. So let's get this cover on and we'll get out of here. Wish they were all that easy on a Friday.